open your CRM every day, you want to know what's going on inside of your business. Today we're going to talk about dashboards. We will create a CRM dashboard that is on your home page when you first open your CRM. All right, guys, are you ready? Let's get to it. When you first open your CRM, you may see your home page. It will have your dashboard or home page, but you have the option to click on the classic view or manager's home. But then you also have the ability to customize a home page, which is what we're going to do. So not only can you get to the customize home page feature from here, you could also go into the settings and then under customization click on customize home page. Okay, you already see manager's home is here. You can change this one, you can customize this one as you see fit. But again, we are going to create our own, and we are going to call this our sales dashboard. Now what you'll have are options from an existing dashboard or any custom views that you have inside of your CRM. What I want to show you is where you can customize your own components to add to your customized dashboard. So here, as you can see, we have org overview, lead analytics. When you click on these, it will give you a list of what your options are. But to get to this, you will click on analytics. If you don't see it right away, click on the three dots and find it there. But analytics is where you see these: org overview, lead analytics, and so on. Okay. All right, let's create a target for leads. What we'll do is we'll go to lead analytics and create a component here. And this will be a target meter. You have some choices here. I think I want to go with this one. Leads created last month. This is going to be for the entire organization, and you can choose for custom users or certain roles, and then you have these other options as well. And this is going to be for leads. We do want the count of leads, and then it will be the created time last month. Okay, we want our target to be a nice round number for this example, so we're going to put 100. We want our meter to say our target is 100, but then show us how far we, how many we actually created within that month. So we're going to save it. And now we can see here we had 10 out of our target of 100. Let's go ahead and add our new component to our dashboard. We created it under lead analytics, and it is a leads created this month. And we're going to rearrange, make everything look a little bit prettier. And here you go, guys. This is pretty simple. It's a drag and drop feature. Of course, you do have to go in and create any components that you need, that are unique, that are custom to what you need. But this is it. And then now what we want to do, we have this sales dashboard here. We can assign this dashboard to whomever we'd like. Right now it's shared with one role, but you could share this with certain people, or certain people, certain roles. We've got profiles. So it's up to you, but whomever you share it with, whenever they go in and click on their home screen, they will have it as an option here in their drop down. So as we can see, we've got our sales dashboard here. And there you go. If you have questions, do not hesitate to ask. Just drop them in the comments. And I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch. If there's anything that you would suggest, please, again, leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to consider your requests. All right, guys, until next time.